Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. You know, I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the inner beauty. Do you understand how beautiful you are? Beauty is in your spirit, in your energy, is not in the physical. The most beautiful moments in the world are the ones that are just naturally created, the ones that you cannot touch, you cannot buy, but just experience. And you are a wonderful experience, and that's why everyone loves you. So make sure you're looking in the mirror and then giving thanks for your strength, your beauty, your confidence, because you are all these things. And make sure you're your biggest cheerleader, because when you glow on the inside, it shows on the outside. I open the eyes of my heart and I gaze directly into the light within me and into the light of every being. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man. Beauty and goodness, that says the image of God. Now you can buy Gucci, you can buy a lot of linens, you can buy so many things and for personality to reflect that in the physical appearance. But that's the image of man, that will all mold and go away. But the beauty of God, now that's the goodness, that's the natural beauty, energy that you actually are on the inside. Make sure you zone in on that and make sure you're beautiful and give yourself compliments on your beauty every single day and remain beautiful. Keep building on that. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.